Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize credit score access through Credit Karma easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.creditkarma.com and press enter. Once the Credit Karma homepage loads, look for the login button in the top right corner. Click on the login button. Enter your email address and password associated with your Credit Karma account. After entering your credentials, click the Login button again. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up button instead and follow the prompts to create one. Once you are logged in, locate the Credit Score section on your dashboard. Click on the Credit Score option to view your scores. To authorize access to your credit score, look for prompts or notifications about accessing your credit report. Follow any presented prompts that guide you through the authorization process. You may need to provide additional personal information for verification purposes. This can include your social security number or answering security questions. After entering the required information, click on the Continue button. Wait for the system to process your information. Once verification is complete, you will gain access to your credit scores and reports. Review your scores as needed. If you encounter any issues, look for help or support options on the site. You can also check the FAQs for further assistance. This completes the process of authorizing credit score access through Credit Karma. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.